Welcome to this intro video for the MetaUni remix session to take place this Thursday. You're here with Daniel and Aleph Mu. So the first thing we're going to do is download the Roblox file. So you want to scroll down the page and I'll show you where it is. Yep. So keep going. Yep, there. See that one? So click on remix, yep. And click allow, yep.
Allow. Boom.
All right. So now you've got to open Roblox Studio. Now go to File. Up here.
File.
Yep. Open from File.
Open from.
That's open from Roblox. It's okay. It might. Yeah. Okay. Open from.
Okay.
All right. Now, so there's a lot of things we can do to change this. Let's start with changing the color of the ocean. Yeah. Okay. So that's under Workspace.
And then next we are going to change the amount of seconds. Ooh, boom.
Okay. So under Terrain.
Oh yeah.
No, terrain's this one. Yep. Okay, so if you click on terrain, not on the arrow, but on the word terrain, you'll see watercolor. And then we can change that to something else. Now you click on the colored box and you can change the numbers directly. Yeah, that's. Do you remember which color that was? It was red, green,
12.
blue. That's greenish.
Whoa.
So less green. So it's more blue now.
Let's make it super greenish.
Wow. All right. So click OK.
Oh, it's okay. Okay. Let's see what happens if you swim in the ocean. Let's see if inside the ocean it's gonna look greenish.
Looks pretty
Yeah, it's so positive. Ew. Ew. Ew.
Really funny. Okay, stop. If you click on terrain, so the arrow to the left of terrain, that one, is clouds. If you click on clouds, you can also change the color of the clouds.
Let's make it a poisonous cloud.
Okay, so that color.
Poison. And
All right, click OK.
oh no, this is super scary.
Okay, so now remember those things we discussed that we can change about the tiles? Okay, so maybe open up the README. So if you scroll down in the Explorer to server storage, that one. And open that up. That's server script service. So that's where we put the code. This one contains just stored stuff that doesn't run, and this README will have some. Yeah, double click it. Oh yeah. So if you click it once, then it opens up the name to be red. Okay, so here's a few remix ideas. Change the dart color, change the kite color, change the tiles to make you bounce. And there'll be lots more when you download the file.
Woo. Oh no, this is the bottom.
Okay, so let's open up the code that makes the tiles. So that's in server script service. Yep. So click on the, yeah, that's it. So you want tile builder. Yeah, very good. All right. So the first challenge here was to change the color of the dart. And the hint is this code here. So what this does is it changes the brick color to be older.
Which we want.
Whatever that is.
Although it's a pinkish.
Right. And
I want it to still be older.
Mm-hmm. So if we go right to the end, see this part here. What does that say?
Finish toast.
Finishing touches.
Finishing touches.
Okay. So to change the color, what we're going to do is copy and paste this code into that spot in that code.
So there's all of that code?
Yeah, those two lines, yeah, 17 and 18. Mm-hmm.
17. Oopsies. I'm not very good at doing it all at the same time.
That's okay.
Command C.
Okay, now go into Tile Builder. And yeah, in this spot, now Command V. Alright, so that's going to change the Dart model to older.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, so let's have a look.
I'm going to make C. So,
is the first tile a dart or a kite?
it says this one is dot.
Right, so that's older. Mm-hmm. Now it should be, if you put down a new dart, it also has that color. Let's try that.
I need that. Dot. Pink. That's not allowed. There.
Yeah, there we go.
What about a kite? Let's put some kites in here. Maybe that could be that. Yay. Slide.
It's not bad enough. Try it again. What do you think we would do to change the color of the kite?
The same, but in the kite.
Yeah. So what do you think we would change about these two lines to change the color of the kite instead of the color of the dart?
Kite, Madhu. But I have no idea how to spell that.
Yeah, you can just copy what it says there.
Kite, Madhu. Yeah.
So you can write. Oh, you could just copy and paste. Yeah. Here's a trick. If you want to select a whole word, you can just double click.
And
then command paste. They'll go over the top. Yep. And then you do it on the next one as well. This second line here.
Oh.
Yep. Yep. Good.
B.
Now try.
Then the kites are gonna be out. What if we? How do we make it both?
Good question. Yeah. Yeah, so that one's blue. Now we have to put down a kite and see what happens. Nice. Okay, yeah, now how would we make both of them older?
Okay. Copy this one.
Yeah.
It's housing, but change it to dot.
Yeah, very good. Yeah, you do that. Okay, so you can drag, copy. Okay.
See where to put it?
You can put it here.
Command V.
Yep.
And change it to
You can just write it by hand. Oh, that'll delete the whole line. You just want to delete the first bit, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so yeah, get rid of that. And get rid of that. And then, what do you write in there?
Dot. Well, I could copy that from there.
You just don't want to type, do you?
Because I don't know how to spell dot.
You can just read it. All right, let's see if that works.
And then finally make it
Nice. Okay.
Okay. Needs me to tap. That's it. What?
Somehow the first tile doesn't play. Oh, I know why. Yeah, it's not in the undo list.
Ah.
It's a bit of a mistake. Okay. Now there was one more thing in the README that it was suggesting we try.
What is it?
Let's have a look.
How do you make the hexagon? Team. That's 2 hexagons. Maybe not hexagon. Fuck you. What did that mean? Super bouncy! I'm gonna bet you off the world! Oops. Forgot. Now we have 5 million cards. You're gonna bounce off to the world each time, so... That's not high.
Well, it's higher than it was. You made it about roughly twice as big as it was before, didn't you?
Yeah.
So you're going about twice as high. If you wanted to go a lot higher than that, if you wanted to go 10 times higher than it is now, what should you do?
A so big number. Whoa, now it is. What? Let's make it even bigger. That's even bigger than 1,000.
That's a very big number.
That's
Gonna go flying off the world.
seen it. Oh, okay. What to put it? What?
What? Where's the world?
I'm
Your body is like crazy. So we'll also explain how to use touch events. So if you touch the tiles, you could maybe play the sound and stuff like that. So in the actual event, there'll be lots more remix ideas and there'll be people on hand to help you try them out. Sound like fun?
What about the car one? That's the car one.
The car one, yeah. Why don't you say some of your favorite ideas that you came up with?
The car change.
Car change direction. How is that working?
Well, you know, so the car changes direction before, you have to run away before the car changes the direction, otherwise the world is going to explode.
Oh, we're going to put
You have to jump off the edge of the road, then you're going to land on another place.
Which car? The car from Spectrum Spat.
Yeah, exactly. Like that one.
So we put that car in and then when it goes over tiles, it changes direction? Oh.
Now, when it goes to the direction of the water, it continues and then drives straight across the water. And then somebody that is going to be in the car, it's going to be like a challenge. Like, you have to throw stuff, and then there's going to be a switch appearing. Yeah, everyone has to hold on to the switch before I'm going to squish them. They have to hold on to the lever so I drive straight off the road into the water. I don't know how to drive. I don't know seriously how to jump and swim back.
Yeah, then you're going to squish them?